Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're finding these Rome research insights helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview can be found down below in the video description. Remember, this is just my personal experience with the tool, so your mileage may vary. Today, we're looking at Uplift, found at uplift.com. This platform offers a unique approach to managing your tasks and projects by integrating the principles of GTD, getting things done, with a sleek and user-friendly interface. Uplift seems particularly well-suited for individuals who feel overwhelmed by their to-do lists and are seeking a more structured way to prioritize and accomplish their goals. One of the standout features of Uplift is its emphasis on clarifying your tasks. It encourages you to break down larger projects into smaller, actionable steps, making the overall project seem less daunting. This granular approach allows you to focus on one specific task at a time, promoting a sense of progress and preventing you from feeling bogged down. Furthermore, Uplift incorporates a robust tagging system, enabling you to categorize and filter your tasks for improved organization and retrieval. Beyond simple task management, Uplift integrates various productivity methodologies, including the Eisenhower matrix, urgent, important, helping you prioritize tasks based on their impact and deadline. This feature can be invaluable for identifying the most critical tasks that demand your immediate attention, while also allowing you to schedule less urgent tasks for later. The platform also provides tools for tracking your progress, visualizing your workflow, and identifying potential bottlenecks. From my experience, navigating Uplift is quite intuitive. The interface is clean and uncluttered, making it easy to find and manage your tasks. The platform also appears to be regularly updated with new features and improvements, which is always a good sign. While Uplift does offer a free version, the premium subscription unlocks additional functionalities, like advanced reporting and team collaboration features, that might be valuable for power users. Whether you're a seasoned GTD practitioner or simply looking for a more effective way to manage your tasks, Uplift might be worth checking out. It provides a structured framework for achieving your goals, while remaining flexible enough to adapt to your individual workflow. Remember to visit the link in the description for more information. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you've used Uplift yourself. What are your thoughts? I'd love to hear from you.